morning, boys and girls. We're going to be working on Voyages right now, and we're going to be on page 86 will be our actual assignment page. So that is almost to the end of the adjectives unit. That is proper adjectives. Proper adjectives, which should sound a little bit familiar because we have proper nouns. Before we get to our actual lesson, and make sure that you have your highlighter and your pencils, we want to go back and do our daily maintenance on page 76. Lesson 5.10. Our sentence for our daily maintenance is, the pink bicycle is hers. The pink bicycle is hers. What is the simple subject? So the entire subject is the pink bicycle. What is the most important word in the complete subject? You write it down. I'm writing it down. And did you write bicycle? Very good. If you did not, erase it and please fix it. Number 2, which word is a possessive pronoun? Okay, which word tells that something belongs to someone? In this case, we find it at the very end of the sentence. Everybody, did you write hers? Hers. If not, please fix it. Number 3, is the verb an action verb or a state of being verb? The verb is, and I'm going to write down what kind of verb is. You should also. Did you write being? Being. If not, please fix it. Okay, let me erase my board, and then let's all do our diagramming. All right. Draw that. A line there. This is one that you've done many times. Similar to this, should have been pretty easy. So we have our simple subject, bicycle, and the and pink tell more about the bicycle. Is our state of being verb, and then hers is the indirect objects because we have that line there. So, okay, now let's go on. This is to page 86. Make sure you have your highlighters. So we're going to use those first. Just 2 lessons left in this area, and then we're going to go on to adverbs, which probably will be pretty close to what we'll do for the rest of the year. Might do a little bit with punctuation, we'll see. So proper adjectives on page 86. We know that a proper noun names a particular place, person, place, or thing, the special name of it. There are some adjectives that come from proper nouns, and therefore they're called proper adjectives. A lot of times they come from the names of countries, and we're going to see that whether they are describing like types of food or nationalities or where your ancestors come from, what ethnicity you are. So they're words like Irish, Greek, English, Canadian, American. Those are usually the kind of proper adjectives we see, and we're going to have quite a few of those fun words that we're going to look at and practice today. So for the first part, let's grab our highlighters. And in number 1 through 6, you are going to look at the 2 words, and you're going to decide which one is the noun and which one is the adjective, and you're going to highlight the adjective. So in number 1, we have Canada and we have Canadian. So which one is a proper noun that tells the name of a person, place, or thing? That would be Canada. That's correct. So the other word, Canadian, is the proper adjective. So make sure you highlight it. Don't circle it, highlight it. And then you are going to do the same thing on 2 through 6, which shouldn't be too difficult, I don't think. You can pause the video and do it now, or you can come back and do it at the end. In the middle part, you're going to keep your highlighter going. And for 7 through 14, you are going to find the proper adjective in the sentence and highlight it. And then you're also going to highlight the noun that it is describing. So you should highlight 2 words. Number 7, we ate Greek food for dinner. Which word is describing something but comes from the name of a country? That would be the word Greek. Very good. And what is Greek describing? Food. I love Greek food. It is so good. You should highlight Greek and food. I haven't had any Greek food in a while, but it is yummy. All right, and you're going to do the same thing for 8 through 14. You'll see one in there that's actually a state, a proper adjective that comes from the name of a state, but most of them are countries. At the very bottom for 15 through 21, you are going to use your pencil and you are going to change the proper noun into a proper adjective and do your best with the spelling. If you need help, I'm sure that mom or dad can help you at home, but it's okay if you do your best with the spelling. You know I don't take off for that. So at the end of every sentence, at the bottom, they have the name of the country, or, name of the country, after it in parentheses, and that's the word that you're supposed to change into a proper adjective. So number 15 says, the 4th of July is an blank holiday. And after the sentence, it has the word America in parentheses. So what they want us to do is to make the word America into a proper adjective. So we would say it is an American holiday. So on the line we would write with our pencil, not with our highlighter, American. And then you would finish the rest of them doing the same and go back and finish the rest of the page if you have it now. Make sure you take a picture of that and send it to me. See you tomorrow.